Introduction. What is a script case? Scriptcase is a low-code platform that will reduce the time you spend creating web applications such as forms, reports, charts, management panels, and others. It was built by NetMake, a Brazilian company in the market for over 20 years, and our company has been supporting hundreds of public agencies, companies to build faster, simpler, and more confidently its web applications. How does the script case work? By generating web applications in PHP and always relating to the content to the databases, the script case can be installed on a web server and accessed simultaneously by many developers through the browser, allowing remote and collaborative development. The source code is in PHP and you can deploy it anywhere with the web server that allows you to work with PHP. Scriptcase also provides a production environment where you can manage the libraries, connections, and deployed applications. The requirement to run the scriptcase, at the date I'm recording this video, the requirements to run scriptcase is a web server, Apache, that is enabled to run PHP 8.1 with the current version, and also Source Guardian to encrypt scriptcase codes. You will find the packs within our website, or you can also make a manual installation. Databases that scriptcase support is the leading relational databases from the market: Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2, MySQL, MariaDB, Informix, PostgreSQL, Access, Interbase, Firebird, Progress, online databases as well. And we also have the ODBC for generic connection that you can also use to connect your script case to your relational database. Well, in this image we can see the organization of development environment. From this side you have script case, then you have the database. You will connect your script case to a database. It can be locally or online. Then you will connect your developers to this development environment. You will build the project in here. When you finish, you will deploy the application to a production environment. Within this production environment, you won't need script case. You just need the database. It can be duplicated. You can bring your database from development to production, or you can make one unique connection. For example, from your development environment to your production, or the opposite. You can start the development already using the production environment database. Once you deploy, the applications will run independent from script case. You have the users, final users. We are going to use this name here, final users, for the users that will run the final system you are creating within a script case. So you can run the production environment from any device and also using any operating system or browser. So to access a script case, you will always type the server IP, then port, and script case folder name. Here I have some examples. If you are accessing script case from a local installation, you can use the localhost IP or localhost port, in this case 8092, then script case, which is the script case folder name where script case is installed or located. For a script case online on a web server, you can use here your domain, then port and folder name, or simply also you can also use here the IP, then port and folder name.